Easy Properties is a platform that we can use to invest in fractional shares of properties. If you have been following me for the last couple of months, you would have seen that I made a video about the Easy Properties platform and how it actually works and how you can make money. Today, I decided to make an unbiased review of the platform and why I decided not to invest any more of my money in the platform. Before we get into it, I want you to let me know what experience did you have with Easy Properties. Was it a good experience? Was it a bad experience? It was probably a bad experience, and if it was, I really want you to comment down below and let me know what exactly was the problem that bothered you the most. With that said, I really value your time and I decided to jump straight to the 3 reasons I decided to stop investing in the platform. Obviously, I value your time and I want you to understand the reason why I am making this video. I am not bad mouthing the platform. I really just want to be straightforward and as open as possible. We all want our money to grow and we want to find out the best way we can do this. So hopefully this video will help you and hopefully you can make your own decision on whether it's worth investing in the platform or not. With that said, let's jump straight into the first reason, and that would be that the auctioning process sucks. Let's be honest, with stuff like Easy Equities, we can buy and sell shares almost immediately. With Easy Properties, when you want to sell your property shares, it is called the auction process. This basically means that we can't sell our fractional shares of the properties immediately and we need to wait for the property to go on auction. Personally, I haven't been able to sell some of my shares, so I decided to make this one of the main reasons why I don't like using the platform anymore. The reason is it's just not liquid, and it means that we can't just get access to our money whenever we need it. Although it is supposed to be a long-term investment, still, if we had the option to sell the shares immediately, that would have been great. We are investing in property, and property itself is a difficult and probably not the most liquid asset to invest in. Easy Properties themselves own the brick and mortar property, so we need to understand that the process behind selling or auctioning the shares is definitely not an easy one. Number 2 on my list why I don't invest in Easy Properties anymore is because of the rental yields that basically never result to what they advertise. Most of the properties that I invested in advertised a rental yield of anything from 6.5% until, let's say, 8%, and this is not what I received when I eventually received my dividend. So if you've watched my previous video, you would have seen where I talk about the prospectus and why it is actually important to go through the prospectus. The prospectus basically shows and shares exactly what we can expect with the rental property, and obviously there's a lot of factors that we need to take into account. Stuff like rental contracts, vacancies, interest rates, and gearing of that specific property. With that said, I would really like if the platform can give us a better return on our money, and that would ultimately motivate more people to stay invested in the platform. The third and the final reason why I stopped investing in the platform is because of the long waiting time to receive any returns. I've received countless comments on my videos where people complain about not receiving dividends at all, and personally I had to wait around 9 months before I received my first dividend. This means that your money is not liquid. You have to wait a long time before receiving any returns, and then the cherry on top is that the returns is not what you expected. This ultimately will kill the platform, and most investors would probably consider investing their money elsewhere. So why am I telling you this, and what do you need to do with this information? Obviously, you can kind of do with it what you want to. I just wanted to share my experience with the platform that I had. And again, I feel that there is better alternatives out there. Personally, I invested around 9 to 10,000 Rand in the platform, which I kind of regret. Although I just wanted to test out the platform to see what is the returns that we can expect, I was really disappointed. What I would advise you guys to do, and this is a much better alternative, that would be to invest in ETFs, dividend paying stocks, or individual shares on Easy Equities. With these type of investments, you can expect much better returns, much quicker returns, and again, it's much more liquid. With that said, guys, I hope this can help you in some way. Sorry for the environment. I am not at home at the moment, but I was really excited to share this with you guys, and hopefully this can help you out in some way. So if you like this video, please consider liking it, comment down below, and let me know what your experience is with Easy Equities.